Hello, this is Dan Davis, Editor-in-Chief of the Fabricator magazine, here with a preview of what's happening at FABTECH Day 3, Wednesday, November 13th. Keynote address will be delivered by Grant Imahara, former co-host of Mythbusters and alum of Industrial Light and Magic. He'll talk about the importance of STEM education. If you're interested in some of the things happening on the show floor today, you might want to check out Amada. They just introduced a new laser beam control that'll help produce faster productivity as well as better cut quality. Also, we have some port sorting technology from the folks at Bystronic as well as Mitsubishi. So go out there and make it a good day. Thanks.